Hi friends, welcome to the channel. If you don't know, I am Stefan and today I'm going to show you how to install the Windows 11 Lite on any PC. For this purpose, you will require a PC or a laptop that meets all the system requirements for Windows 11 Lite, a USB with minimum 4 GB of storage, a Rufus app for creating the bootable USB, and the Windows 11 Lite image. The Windows 11 Lite system requirements are: comparing to the Windows 11, you can see that it doesn't require that much as Windows 11. Now plug the USB and open Rufus. Okay, so we have the USB. Now we need to select the Windows 11 Lite image. Here we are. Now start. Make sure to back up all the data from the USB before it's too late and click on OK. Now this may take a while, so just sit back and relax while this is flashing. So the USB is ready and close Rufus. Now I recommend installing a browser, for example Microsoft Edge, because the Windows 11 Lite doesn't have any browser, just has only a few apps, only 4. Now copy the installer and paste it to the USB and eject the USB, and we should install on the target PC and boot the target computer. Once you boot into the boot menu, select the USB flash drive and press enter to boot the USB. Now, once boot into setup, click next, exit the license terms. Now, here is our Windows partition. Make sure to back up all the data before it's too late because it's formatted. Now, here I'm going to install just the Windows. Now this may take a little while, so just sit back and enjoy while installing. So here we are. We can just set a username and password for our laptop, for our Windows 11, and click on finish. So here we are, and it's preparing Windows. So here we had Windows 11 on hardware that's not supported. This is Windows 11 Lite, and I think it's actually nice. We have this is not a full version of this operating system. This is just a light version that doesn't need a lot of system requirements to work. And I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If this was helping, just leave a like and please subscribe to my channel and help me grow it by just pressing a subscribe button and comment this was useful. Bye friends!